Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the weekly devotional of grace and gratitude. And today we are on day 8, and it's humble before grace. Humility and grace go hand in hand. It takes humility to admit you are a sinner and grace to lift your head from shame. When humility knocks for God, grace opens the door. Humility empties empties the heart of dirt, and grace fills it up with holiness and blessing. Humility puts others first. Grace outlooks on days you forget. Humility and grace are like conjoined twins. One can't survive without the other. Some is so if you're looking for grace, call on humility and grace won't be far behind. So I want to thank you all. Let's read the prayer here. And it says, Lord, humbling myself is sometimes a moment by moment thing. Pride keeps knocking, but my, myself now. But I humble myself now. I wasn't to I want to see the full extent of your grace in my life. So I want to thank you all for watching. I will see y'all next week for the next weekly devotional for day 9. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please be blessed and be kind, be graceful, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.